Hello YouTubers who decided to join this video on this channel. I heard you guys wanted to see a bike check of our bikes. So here we are.
We are here in Golden, top of the mountain.
Yeah, I should have added that first. Okay, anyway, where should we start? 2019 SB150 with EXT era suspension. I was just bored. I actually didn't need it, but it was on sale, so why not? Front Shimano Dior M6120 levers, or M6100s, no difference. With Saint calipers in the front and Hayes rotor. Thought it would look cooler than the Shimano ones. Tires, Continental Baron with 29 VR1 agent wheels on 350 hubs by D2 Swiss. We got Crank Brothers, what is it, Stamp 7s. Oval chainring from One Up chain guide. And drivetrain is XTR shifter, XTR cassette, XTR chain, XTR derailleur, XTR rear lever with XTR 4-piston rear calipers, Formula discs on a VR1 Unions. I'm pretty sure you guys saw that fail last year. Should probably cut it in. This time I've put in Cush core, with, as you can see from the green stem, and with Maxi's Aggressor rear tire. And Fox transverse post and mech seat, because this is the best seat in the world.
It's already sira.
It's awesome.
It's broken.
Now we just need to switch to the other player here.
Yeah. Okay.
If you have any questions, let me know.